obviously, you know, Tuasma, Liana Hybra, you know.
You know, listen, certain people have had their say about what went on at the Bootchampa, and good luck to them, you know.
Ig Tusnoer TG Cahir and Donach Shaw, for Sport Televotes, GAA Bootchampa, Govile so Coig Deog, Sranoa, and a Dagan Banner Story, Homan Luchlas Gael. With the on Bootchampa, on Kupla Fokker Gaelga, a Wuna Danyam Rory, Yagamaisid Coilehe, on Dolamon, Hanalisha, the TG Cahir, or Iroshid as an emert.
I know, you know, it's nice to be back here again. We obviously we did the Amshire Kaita last week, and you know, we prepared well for that, and we got the result we were looking for. Tired of Gamanlin, like Darren Lay, but obviously, you know, too small on a hybrid. Next week it's the Mokaniluk, and as far as I'd be concerned, you know, it's going to be another serious battle, you know. The Mokaniluk, obviously a tense, I have a serious amount of respect for, you know, and caused us a few problems over the years, but we'll prepare the same as we always prepare, and hopefully, you know, we'll show the same character and spirit again, you know. Níart go Curly Chéile, agus Tomsha agus na Himrory Exul Gamor and Tachtan Chahugan.
Listen, there's always going to be ups and downs, you know, Shavus and Tishel Ginnelux. But anything that's thrown at us, you know, we'll take it on, you know. We have one objective today, and that's to learn 3 shanokals in a half an hour. So, you know, listen, certain people have had their say about what went on at the Bootchampa, and good luck to them, you know. But there's plenty I could say about the standard of Irish last week, you know, but I'm not going to get into any of that stuff whatsoever, you know. And to all the doubters who said that Davy Fitzgerald would never finish a full sentence in Irish, you know, Tegi, Gudi, and Jowl, a fucking bitchiny.
GAA Bootchampa, Govile so Coig Deog, Jedona, Eganoi, TG Cahir.